How to find your stickers on TikTok. Tutorial. You saved a sticker on TikTok. You know it is somewhere in the app, but now you cannot find it anywhere and it is driving you absolutely crazy. The reason most people cannot find their stickers is because TikTok hides them in a place nobody thinks to look. And I am going to show you exactly where they are right now. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are covering exactly how to find your stickers on TikTok, where your saved and favorited stickers live, and how to add them to your videos while editing. This works on both iPhone and Android. Let's get into it. Step 1. The most important thing to understand right away is that TikTok stickers are not saved in your phone's camera roll or gallery. They exist entirely inside the TikTok app itself, and the only way to access them is through the video editing screen. So go ahead and open TikTok and tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen to open the camera. Step 2. Once you are on the camera screen, either record a quick clip by holding the record button, or tap the upload button in the bottom right corner and select any existing video or photo from your gallery. You just need something loaded into the editor. It does not matter what it is. Step 3. After your clip is loaded into the editing screen, look along the right side toolbar or the bottom menu for the stickers option. It is usually represented by a small smiley face icon or appealing square icon. Tap on it to open the full sticker panel. Step 4. Once the sticker panel is open, you will see a search bar at the top and a row of category tabs underneath it. TikTok defaults to showing trending and suggested stickers, which is exactly why your saved ones seem impossible to find. To get to your personal stickers, look for a tab with a bookmark icon or a star icon. It is usually labeled Favorites or My Stickers. Tap that tab and every sticker you have previously saved will be sitting right there waiting for you. Step 5. If your Favorites tab is empty or you do not see one at all, it simply means you have not saved any stickers to it yet. To save a sticker, tap and hold on any sticker inside the panel until a small pop-up appears. You will see an option that says Add to Favorites or Save. Tap it and that sticker is now permanently stored in your Favorites tab for every future video you make. Step 6. Once you find the sticker you want, tap it and it will drop directly onto your video on the editing screen. From there you can drag it anywhere you like, pinch with 2 fingers to resize it and rotate it to any angle. Animated stickers will play on their own automatically once placed. Step 7. If you are hunting for a specific sticker you used in an older video but cannot remember its name, go to your profile, find that old video, and tap directly on the sticker while it is playing. TikTok will often pull up the sticker name or show you similar options in the search panel, so you can find it and save it properly this time around. Step 8. If the Favorites tab is missing entirely or behaving strangely, update your TikTok app. Go to the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and check for any available updates. TikTok rearranges its interface frequently, and an outdated version can hide or break certain features, including the sticker favorites section. Here is your pro tip. The next time you're browsing through the sticker panel and you spot one you like even a little bit, save it immediately. Build up your favorites collection intentionally over time so that every time you sit down to edit a video, everything you need is already in one place. Creators who edit fast are not faster because they are more talented, they are faster because they are more organized. Your sticker favorites tab is part of that system, and that is everything. Quick recap: TikTok stickers live inside the editing tools, not your phone gallery. Access them through the stickers icon while editing. Find your saved ones under the Favorites or My Stickers tab, and save new ones by holding down on any sticker and tapping the favorite option. Simple once you know where to look. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and hit subscribe for more TikTok tips every week. And let me know in the comments, what type of stickers do you use the most on your videos? See you in the next one.